As you can see, the Chevelle is off the jack stands. Got the rear end put back together. The posi or limited slip carrier is in. Dark to see anything. It works. The car doesn't really have enough power to really turn the wheels over. Real faint lines out there, but it works. I just gotta check the fluid in it to make sure it's still up. And I did fix the battery tray because the little bolt on the bottom of that broke off. That holds the battery hold down. The little nut they spot weld on the bottom down here. There's a nut on the bottom side of that. That's a aftermarket battery tray or aftermarket reproduction. The nut broke off last winter when I tried removing the battery. Well, that it seems to run okay. Just not very much power. Good for just driving around, make fun. To see, maybe I'll race this one in the bracket bash they have down in Hillsboro. GTO still has a dead battery, or actually the battery is actually holding it a charge, but for some reason it acts like it's not going to start. I had the battery charger on it for overnight. It's still showing 12.4. Suppose I can hook the cables up to it and see what it'll do. Kind of like this marine style setup. Well, it's not factory, but kind of convenient. Let's see if it cranks over. So that's about all it does. So I don't know if there's maybe a dead cell in the battery or the starter's going bad. I mean, with the battery charger on there, it seems to crank over pretty good. After like Friday, I drove it and had the battery charger on it for 2 hours before I started it. And then when I ran some errands, I actually left the car running out in the parking lot, which most people wouldn't do. But I pulled the keys out and locked the doors. Grand Prix. I actually tried starting this just a little bit ago and it won't start. I think I lost spark again. I think it might have maybe fried the module, or hopefully not the pickup coil in the new distributor I put in there that I had for the engine for the GTO, but it's also getting compression blow by out of number 2 cylinder. It's the spark plug's not sealing against the cylinder head like it's supposed to, because when whoever originally tapped that, they put threads in the upper seat. It tapped and threaded the area where the spark plug would actually seat too. So I'll have to see if maybe I can clean that up and get that, but probably, and that's probably about all I have. But thanks anyway. Thanks for watching.